do a Bob Marley tutorial. The song is called Three Little Birds. Three little chords you'll need to know: G, C and D. The strumming pattern is reggae, skank. So you are strumming on the up beat. So if the beat goes 1, 2, 3, 4, you're strumming 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now this can be tricky if you're starting out. So I think the easiest way to go about that, to get that reggae sound, is when you're counting on the beat, like 1, you put your hand here, and between beats you strum, and then on the beat you dampen the strings, put your hand flat on, and then strum. So you sound something like 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so try and follow me. Each heart has a count of 4, and there's 4 chords, in the chorus, and those 4 parts are played twice in the chorus, and 4 parts are played twice in the verse. So that's 8 parts, 8 parts, 4, 8 bars, in the chorus, and 8 bars. I hope that's not confused you. I'm just going to sing it. That will make sense. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Again. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, shine with the rising sun. 3 little birds beside my door, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Back to the chorus. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be just fine. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Easy song to play, and a very simple and useful message. Bye bye.